Welcome to CGMA's Drawing and Rendering Techniques for Hardware Design course. A deep understanding of drawing, rendering, and design language is vital for any field in the entertainment design industry. Drawing and rendering techniques for hardware design covers the benefits of ideation sketching, perspective, visual language, rendering and presentation techniques, and design intent. Focusing on the fundamentals of drawing and design, students will learn a process to deliver stronger designs using established concept design processes. Focusing on designing for production, students will learn how a concept artist fits into a production pipeline. Here's what you will learn. Week 1. We will start using perspective to design vehicles and mechs. How to approach concept design for vehicles. Conceptualization and rough sketching. Line art cleanup, basic value. Week 2. Start developing a visual library. Learn how to use reference and you will be creating your design language. What makes a mech? In Week 3, we will develop impactful mech designs and introduction to basic value and rendering. Week 4. Establishing a distinct design language for vehicles with similar functions. Week 5. We will be creating believable mech concepts in a variety of different styles. Week 6. A deep look on how to achieve realistic-looking materials, painting and rendering techniques for vehicles and environments for design presentation. Week 7, your portfolio piece, a step-by-step to creating complete mech designs. Week 8, finalizing your portfolio piece by applying painting and rendering techniques for mechs to complete a render of your final mechanical and hardware design, showing materials and overall structure of design. For the next 8 weeks, you will have industry's best artists as your mentor, allowing you to rapidly improve your skills by having access to industry standard training and information in a one-on-one mentoring environment. Each week, you will have access to pre-recorded content that you will be able to access and review at any time, followed with a challenging homework assignment that will be reviewed weekly by your mentor, allowing you to master the skills needed to get into the industry. Once a week, you will also have a live Q&A session where you can interact with your mentor and ask any question. The live Q&A will be recorded and you will have access to it at any time. I really hope you enjoy this course, and the CGMA team is excited to see what you will come up with. Register today at cgmasteracademy.com.